Хуярим в любом состоянии. It's also safer not to be a fucking dick. You know that? Much safer. Much safer not to be a dick as well. Yo, my friends. Today I'm dying of hay fever, and even Sensimilia is not helping, and that's bad. But I'm dying of hay fever because I'm gonna do these shelves. Well, this shelf in this Bentley stitch material. So probably no one's cleaned it. I took it off in 25 years, and that's why I'm dying here. Oh. So I'll take off the old shit first, because as you can see it's already like sagging here and everything. So if you don't want this coming up, you need to remove it.
So that we can make something sexy like this, or even like this, baby. Oh yeah.
Let me give you a word of advice about sticking it onto large surfaces. So I would roll it in a roll like this, so you can do it bit by bit. So do, for example, this area first. Apply plenty of glue, lay it down, press it nice and hard so that you get all the different like creases in there, and then roll this side back, apply glue about this much at a time, and carry on rolling it and rubbing it in. So let's give it a go in a minute.
Like with any can of paint or glue, you need to shake it. You need to shake it like a Polaroid picture. And then you need to apply a nice fat layer so everything sticks on very nicely. It is best to use some cloth or microfibers to rub it in very nicely. Keep rubbing and rubbing until all the surfaces stick to it like glue, so it's all nice and tight.
Oh, by the way, someone said that this glue helps in case of bad case of hay fever or dust allergy. Been fucking spraying it up there all day long and not helping. But at least this is looking nice and cushy. Beginning to anyway. So once it's stuck down, wait about an hour for it to stick down properly. Then cut it around the edge. Make sure you leave enough of an edge so that you can wrap it round. And then carefully start wrapping it round and securing with a few pegs so that it's all nice and tight. So now let's wait for it to dry a bit more, and then turn it around, glue it all down at the back, and also we need to cut out the speakers carefully. Finally it's beginning to take shape, so time to turn it around to stick all the edges around the back, plus cut out our speaker holes. Another golden tip I give to you for free, my friends, is cut out the speaker holes when you've got it upside down. Then you can see exactly how much material you need to cut so that you don't cut it short and fuck up. So then you have to stick down all the edges so that it's all nice and tight and secure. So once you've secured all the edges with clips, you can now turn it around and finally leave it to dry overnight. with some more presses on it. So that's where we got to in the end. Took us half a day, but it is all okay, baby. I'd say more than okay, better than okay even. About 10 in materials, and I'd say it looks like Bentley, baby, if not better. So the red speakers are gonna complement that quite decently, I think. So see, very easy to do. So see, I don't just chat shit. Even when I've got the worst hay fever in the world, I show you how to do the most beautiful pieces in the world. So stay tuned. Next series, we're gonna finish off those door cards, hopefully.
In the meantime, Alibaba sent us a prezi for E65. And now, my dear friends, we're gonna replace the messed up indicator. This one flew off, so we got ourselves a cheap one from Alibaba. You just take it off very easily like this, just press it and pull it off. Leave that bit on there, just remove the bulb.
So my dear friends, another top tip. I've just installed them and they didn't work at first, and the reason is because this is the bit that comes off your connector. I'll show you outside in a second, but if you have a look, it's so corroded to shit. And so it's corroded with the camera to shit, yeah. And you need to clean, like with a screwdriver, all this shit inside. Very important, guys. Otherwise you'll be complaining, moaning again. It doesn't fucking work. Give me my money back. Yeah. Use your fucking brain first. So clean it all properly. I'm gonna do a bit more cleaning than that, and then this just slots in there. Bang, like that. And then I'll show you how to put it on your ride. So check this out, yeah, that's the bit we just cleaned. Could do it with a bit more cleaning, but let's give it a go. And voila, all working now. Here we go, guys, another top mod. Nearly stepped on it for today. I thought they didn't work. They look kind of cool, don't they? I thought they didn't work at first, but basically what you have to do, you remove it from your old one. Don't unplug the whole thing, so leave this bulb connector in there. Then remove the bulb, and instead of the bulb, you'll see this. Now it's all gonna be corroded to shit. Now you need to clean it properly to make good contact with this, and then it's gonna work. Mine didn't work at first until I sorted the contacts out, cleaned them nicely. See, they're still a bit dodgy, so just clean them a bit more.
Before whacking in the Parcel Shelf, you need to sort out your tunage blasters.
Right, I'm gonna take these speakers out of the E36, stick them in the E34, because E34 I'm driving at the moment and it's a priority.
The screws are in an awkward position, so you have to use a bendy screwdriver like this to unscrew all the screws. Make sure you use the correct size speakers so that they screw right back into the original holes and do not give you pain in the ass. Then you have to make sure that your bass works properly.
Так, уже получше, ребята.
Translation. Much better, homie G's.
Мы еще, наверное, amplify. Ебашим сабвуфер сзади. Hello. Nice, isn't it? Nice. You need to cut it like this and just fold it in like that. Alright, my friends. Now we've got all these bits and pieces off. We're gonna wrap them with some sexy red fabric. I think it's gonna look good against the black leather. So let's give it a go. Oh yeah, another top tip. It's getting freezing out there, so get yourself one of these gas heaters. They're a lot more economical than the electric ones. And they heat up this bad boy like a motherfucker. So let's do this. Hey, we'll fuck this one up. Don't do it this way. Don't do a triangle. Make sure you have enough room on the edges. We'll try again in a minute. Looks like a little minchita. Let's do a cross now. See if that works better. Okay, boys and girls, gonna try and put this lovely shelf that we made in the back. So to cover all this ugliness, let's do it. Guys, without any exaggeration, it's an absolute motherfucker to fit this, because you have to line up all these clips and then somehow at the same time push them in. Oh my god, let's keep trying. Okay, quick tip, don't put the seats in before you put the shelf in. The shelf goes in first. So pull them back, whack it in, and wedge it back in. Alright, the shelf is in place with our sexy new speakers. We're gonna put red covers on it, which are gonna look cool, I think. So now you need to push the seats in back really hard. Really hard. Okay, now they're gonna go back in now. Guys, if you're having trouble shoving the seat back in on a hook, like I just did, see all the sweat, I've been fucking around in here for about half an hour. Just put a long bar in here, pull it back, and then it'll bite onto the hook easier, and just you know, push it. So get in there slowly. Yo, so after a lot of wrestling, check this out, baby. Woo! Nice and comfortable here. Man, you probably can't see shit, but here you go. The seats are all installed. Here, let me show you better. La Coca Nostra, baby, the best band in the world. And this is the worst motherfucker in the world. Soaked in fucking blood. And he's going to the devil. He's going to the fucking devil, where he belongs. He's in blood. He's gonna fucking burn. He doesn't wanna burn. He doesn't wanna fucking burn even. Because he's from the devil. But he will fucking burn in hell. That's right, bitch. Fucking with compliments, motherfucker. You're gonna burn. And tomorrow, let's see what beats you. You did this, or this fire fucks you up, motherfucker. Let's see. Huh? You want some? You fucking want some? I think the fire's winning, biatch. I think the fire is winning. Aha, you're not. Look, he's trying to get away. He's trying to get away, bitch. But he's not getting away. He's gonna fucking burn. Look, the devil outside is trying to stop him burn. The devil, high with the law. So, got no sword, no army, got no land. Nothing but songs in my head. Songs in my head. Song in my hand. And then nothing but the songs in my hand. There you go, bitch. Fucking burn. Suck it on board. We say we started war. Land. Dust. It's not finished yet. Ants. He doesn't want to die. It's in my hand. It's in my hand. Songs in my head. My heart is songs in my head. Diamond.
Oh yeah, and of course, if you want to be a G, please subscribe to BBB. Aight? No, it's